The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of three devices launched on January 22, 2025, alongside the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. As the most powerful smartphone in the lineup, the Ultra model stands out with subtle design tweaks and the inclusion of the S Pen. Compared to its predecessor, it features thinner bezels and less angular corners. Although the design changes are minimal, they add refinement to the overall look. Let's dive deeper into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, starting with its specifications. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch WQHD+ 3120 by 1440 dynamic AMOLED 2X flat display with Gorilla Armor 2 protection. This panel supports an adaptive refresh rate, 1 to 120 Hz, and reaches a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Powering the device is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process. It comes with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, UFS 4.0. Note that storage is not expandable. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery supporting 45-watt wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Other notable features include stereo speakers, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, facial recognition via the front camera, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Android 15 with One UI 7. Samsung promises 7 years of software support. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is IP68 certified and features a titanium frame with UWB, ultra-wideband support. Camera system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra sports a quad-camera setup on the back, 200-megapixel main camera, f1.7, OIS, 1.3-inch sensor, 0.6mm pixels, 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, f1.20 FOV, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, 5x optical zoom. For selfies, it includes a 12-megapixel front camera, f2.2 aperture. Hash dimensions and colors. The phone measures 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 218 grams. It's available in 4 standard colors: Titan Black, Titan Gray, Titan Silver Blue, and Titan White Silver. Additional exclusive colors like Titanium Jade Green, Titanium Jet Black, and Titanium Pink Gold can be purchased through the Samsung store. Pricing and availability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,299.99 in the US, with pre-orders beginning on January 22, 2025, and official availability in stores starting February 22nd. Customers who pre-order can enjoy a 15% discount on Samsung Care Plus and access trade-in deals. Key features and improvements. Pro Visual Engine. Samsung's new image processing system aims to set a benchmark for mobile photography. Enhanced ultra-wide camera. The upgrade from a 12 megapixels to a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises better quality and larger sensor size. One UI 7, a refreshed interface with AI-powered features and design improvements. Improved screen protection. Gorilla Armor 2 enhances display durability and anti-reflection properties. Now Brief, a personalized assistant providing weather updates, schedules, fitness information, and more via the Now bar. Audio Eraser, a feature to reduce background noise in videos for clearer audio. Accessories. Samsung offers a variety of official cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including the standing grip case, rugged case, flip suit case, silicone case, kind suit case, clear case, and anti-reflecting film screen protector. Third-party cases are also widely available. Carrier compatibility. The Galaxy S25 Ultra works seamlessly with all major US carriers, including AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, along with their MVNOs such as Boost Mobile, Cricket, and Metro PCS. With its upgraded hardware, enhanced cameras, refined design, and powerful new features, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra solidifies its place as the flagship of the series.